Embarking on a fitness journey with a resistance band is an innovative path to wellness and strength. In today's video, we will explore the transformative effects of daily resistance band workouts. From muscle building to enhanced flexibility, discover how this simple tool can revolutionize your fitness routine. Stay with us until the end for a comprehensive guide that promises to be as enlightening as it is inspiring. Let's get it. Benefits of resistance band training. Resistance bands, often underestimated, are powerhouse tools for physical transformation. The first remarkable benefit is muscle development. Comparable to traditional gym equipment, resistance bands exert sufficient tension to challenge and grow your muscles, proving that effective workouts aren't confined to gym spaces. Portability redefines exercise boundaries. These lightweight accessories allow for a workout session anywhere, from your living room to a hotel room, ensuring your fitness journey continues uninterrupted. This is particularly beneficial for those juggling tight schedules or those without access to gym facilities. Diversity in resistance levels tailors your workout to specific muscle groups. Heavier bands enhance lower body strength, targeting hips and glutes, while lighter bands are perfect for sculpting your upper body. This versatility also extends to the intensity of your workouts, enabling progressive challenges without the need for heavy machinery. The holistic approach of resistance band exercises promotes not just muscle strength, but also joint health, flexibility, and posture correction. It's a gentle yet effective option for those in rehabilitation or those looking to reduce injury risks associated with heavy lifting. Finally, the autonomy in resistance band training empowers you to self-regulate the intensity, making fitness both accessible and personal. As we move beyond conventional training narratives, resistance bands emerge as not just an alternative, but a preferred choice for many fitness enthusiasts. Practical tips and strategies. When integrating resistance bands into your routine, starting with a variety set can optimize your workouts, allowing for a full body engagement and gradual intensity increase. Here's how to maximize your resistance band training. Firstly, focus on form and control. Unlike static gym machines, resistance bands require a deliberate engagement of various muscle groups, enhancing your coordination and balance. Incorporate a mix of compound and isolation exercises. While bands are excellent for targeted muscle work, they also excel in engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, offering a comprehensive workout. Progression is key. Gradually increase the resistance level to challenge your muscles, ensuring continuous growth and avoiding plateaus. Remember, the goal is to improve, not to stagnate. Listen to your body. While pushing limits is part of growth, understanding when to rest and recover is crucial. Resistance bands, with their varied intensities, allow for a tailored approach that respects your body's signals. Lastly, consistency is your greatest ally. Regular workouts, even short daily sessions, can lead to significant improvements over time. With resistance bands, every movement counts towards your fitness goals. Remember that the journey to fitness is uniquely yours. Resistance bands offer a flexible, effective, and sustainable path to achieving your health goals. They break the mold of traditional workouts, proving that sometimes the simplest tools are the most powerful. Embrace the versatility and convenience of resistance band training. Whether you're aiming to sculpt, strengthen, or heal, these bands are your companions in wellness, adaptable to every fitness level and lifestyle. Challenge the conventional. Embrace the efficiency of resistance bands and witness the transformation in your physical strength, flexibility, and overall health. Let's redefine fitness together, one band at a time. Thank you for joining this journey with us. Continue exploring, learning, and growing. Your body is your most precious asset. Nurture it, respect it, and above all, believe in its capacity for change. Until our next session, keep stretching your limits and remember, your best is yet to unfold.